Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. We just finished installing this brand new transfer case for this Porsche Macan Turbo. Alright, so everything's in. We've got a brand new carton as well, coupler. You can call it a carton coupler or harmonic balancer. You can call it whatever name you call, but it's one of those one here for the actual to take the vibration away as well, to make it feel more nicer at idle. Alright, so we got the actual new one, and we're torquing up the bolts now using the torque spec. So it's 50 Newton meters plus 90 degrees for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 there. And then now after that we're going to install the exhaust and all the brackets and the main carton shaft that joins the transfer case. Goes across here and joins to here as well. That's going to be torqued up as well. We've got the actual torque, it's all marked here as well, so we can actually put everything back together where it should be. Very important. And then we can sort out the oil leaks next week, and then we'll go from there. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.